1, 2, 3, let's go!
Hey guys, overnight my sudden influx ng subscribers and I really appreciate all of you and I do subscribe back. Minsan kasi talaga hindi nagno-notify yung YouTube. I don't know what's up with that, pero I do try my best. And anyways, yung lulutuin natin ngayon ay Basmati fried rice. So let's do it. Anyways, like and subscribe. I'll follow every single one of you if I can. So let's get on with the video. Again guys, thank you all so much for watching. I'm really sorry if I can't subscribe to all of you, but please do leave a comment notifying me that you have subscribed so I can sub back to you. I'll do my best to read all of them, and thanks for tuning into the channel. I appreciate all of you. Tune in for the new videos every week, and that's all. Thank you.